Hello everyone, this tutorial is to show you how to record a Google Meet session. Now please understand that this is not optional. You are required to record all Google Meet sessions that you conduct with students. And that is really important for a lot of legal reasons. Feel free to reach out to Jill Wyram if you want to know more about the legal obligations that we're under as a school corporation. But the short version is that it's mainly to protect you. So that we have documentation in case there should be any sort of accusation or question about what went on during your session. So it's very important that from beginning to end, your entire Google Meet session is recorded. So this tutorial is to show you how to go about doing that. So when you launch your Google Meet session, you're going to come down here to the little 3-dot indicator here, and you're going to click on Record Meeting. You want to do this before anyone even joins so that you're truly capturing everything and there can't be any question about what happened before you started the recording. Also, just to let you know, students do not have this button. So you don't have to be concerned about students recording the video and having that, although there are workarounds to that and we can't control everything, unfortunately, but they don't have this button to record the meeting. So when you click Record Meeting, it's going to bring up this warning, and it's telling you that you have a legal obligation to let students know, anyone in the session know that this is being recorded. So make sure you are doing that. This would come up on their screen if they were already signed in, but since you're trying to capture the entire thing and no one's here yet, you're going to have to actually tell them. So when you click Accept, it's going to start launching the recorder, and then it'll show a red recording button in the corner for everyone. Letting them know also that it's being recorded. So back here in your 3 dots, you have the option to stop the recording. Students do not have that option again, but please do not stop the recording. You want this to run all the way to the very end when you're the last one in the room and you're signing off. You want everything to be captured. So you don't need to ever stop the recording. When you end the session, it will automatically stop the recording at that point. And what happens next is that it saves a video file of this recording in your Google Drive automatically as the person who created the meeting. No one else gets a copy of it. It goes only to your drive, and it'll go into a folder that will be automatically created called Meet Recordings. So you'll get an email notification of that. You will also get, along with that, a transcript of your chat. So whatever's been going on here in the chat room will be put into a text file, and that'll be saved and captured as well. You'll get that in that same folder, in that same email. You'll have that transcript, which may also be very important documentation. So make sure you hang on to that. So that's about it for recording your Google Meet sessions. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out to me.